What's up, Onward Productions, coming back at you with another unboxing review. And this is some more great investments for the channel, for the production company. Different quality and different gadgets. I'm gonna get into it though. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. And as y'all seen from the last pickup, I know where we got it from, but the bag still gonna show you. Y'all see? Shout out Best Buy. What we have right here is a VIVITAR Pro 8K HD video camcorder. Okay, well, I put. As y'all can see right here. Let's get our thumbnail. You already know how that go. You feel me? We got that. You feel me? Y'all see right here. It's a built-in enhanced zoom, touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi. Share the moments, wireless transfer photos, 8K digital camcorder, frame per screen. They got 8K frames per second, and they got 4K at 60 frames per second. So the features I'm gonna show you guys that's on this is the main features right here, and then I'm gonna go show you guys the accessories so you guys can look at the box right here, zoom in, see what's close right here or not. But we have 3.0 touch with 270 rotatable display, real 8K full ultra HD recording, max 64 megapixel photo resolution, built-in enhanced zoom, night vision, HDMI output, rechargeable lithium battery. Accessories: camera bag, HDMI cable, remote controller, USB cable, rechargeable lithium battery, lens cover, memory card, and instruction manual. We're gonna get into it. Got our good unboxing going on. Easy unboxing, easy unboxing. Boom! Got that bad boy. Finna get it out, see what it's looking like. As y'all can see, sheesh. I'm gonna put the box right here on the hood. Here go the easy guide instruction manual they was just talking about. We were just talking about. That's the instruction manual. Put that back in the box. Right here, we have our HDMI cable right here. As y'all can see, HDMI cable. Got the covers on the HDMI. Nice double-sided HDMI cable. And this will be the side that you'll plug in, probably into the camera. This will be the side you plug in to the other part. Or you transferring, The HDMI cable right here. Next, we have which it looks like, almost looks like a USB-C cable, but that's right here. Probably the charger for the battery for the camera. One side USB, and the other side it looks like a C port or a C plug. Next, this is the battery. Have our battery here. Nice small, not too heavy size. Got a low weight, but not too heavy size battery. Then what else we have in here? And this is what to call if you're having trouble with these type of cameras. They say don't go back to the store. If you're having troubles, call right here. Next, we have the remote. That's dope. This camera comes with a remote. It's really cool. See right here, plastic right there. Comes with a good remote, cut on, light, picture, video, display, zoom in and out, rotate. That's dope. Menu, mode. See all the features on the camera right there for the remote. Next, we about to get into the camera. See the camera bag also, can't forget that. VIVITAR camera bag. It's really dope. See right here. Boom! Fresh VIVITAR. VIVITAR. Wow. New thumbnail. Got that. I already know. Here we go to AK VIVITAR Camcorder. Open this up like such. And it's gonna be great. Different quality that we get, different features, not too heavy, got some good weight to it, but you see how I'm moving it, it's very light to me, but you got the zoom right here, you got your power features, different modes, menu, up and down, power, photo button right here, you got your mic, input right here. You got your HD input, and then you got your USB input. So that one I was telling you that looked like a USB-C plug, it goes right there. It is a USB. Then you have your record button. You see the red button right here. So this is very clean. You got your camera lens. Also comes with a camera lens. Boom. Like such, like such, like such. I'll let y'all get a zoom in and see the details closely. Boom. Very clean. Record button, zoom. Attachment rig right here. You want to put a mic or a light. You got here, you have for your tripod. It's cool. This is where the battery go. Right there. See the SD for memory port right here, like such. Very clean, very clean. Got your light also right here for your night vision. That's really cool, really cool. I like that a lot. Again, camera lens up close. What the front look like. Got your handle also right here. Smooth handle with the name brand on it. VIVITAR. It's a pretty cool camcorder, can't complain. You guys can look it up to see the price of it, you know. It's, I would say very affordable. But if you guys like this video, it was helpful, useful for you guys, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share. There will be more unboxing and videos to the channel, more art coming soon. Appreciate you guys for staying in tune this long if you have. We'll be back at you with the next video. Oh yeah, and go stream Zay Z, it's up now, new song. Go stream LA Baby. EP is up now. You feel me?
On all platforms.
Yeah, on all platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, all that good stuff, Go stream Cali Rant also, you know. We doing it up, you feel me? Go stream Used To. And she got a new banger on the way, you feel me? A hot hit, you feel me? We'll be back.